Hey class, today I want to talk about Microsoft Excel. This is absolutely my favorite of all the applications. Um, I don't usually use Excel anymore. I use Google Sheets, but it's the same principle. It's a spreadsheet. Now, back a million years ago when I was first introduced to spreadsheets, I thought, why would I ever use this? Because the assignment I had in a class just like this was to create a list of all of my CDs. You guys remember CDs? They were kind of they were round, and you put them in a stereo, and they played music for you. Back before MP3s and streaming and all that. Anyway, I had to type all of that in different cells, and then I could alphabetize it and things like that. But as I moved on, I learned that it's not necessarily what you're typing in the cells, it's all the formulas in the background and the ability to visualize that data, manipulate that data, run the cells, get the descriptive statistics that you need, anything like that. And now I use them every single day. I love spreadsheets. Everyone that works for me knows how much I love spreadsheets and that they better learn how to use them themselves. Uh, from a management perspective, I do not know how we could how we could exist before this. They replaced just ledgers and ledgers and ledgers of notes, um, of numerical data. They are absolutely wonderful, and I hope that you can see some application to this in your life other than alphabetizing your CD collection.